Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Truecaller with another phone number. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Truecaller app. Then once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top right and tap on 3 dots, okay? Besides the search bar, tap on it and then go ahead over to settings. And then in here, just go ahead and tap on manage your profile. And then in here, go ahead and tap on edit profile. Now, as you can see here, we do have our primary phone number. So what you're going to do basically is just add in the secondary phone number. Tap on it, select the country code and to enter the secondary number. And after that, just tap on verify. Okay. When you tap on verify, just like what it did when you first time logged in or signed up for Truecaller, it will just run the process where it's calling your own phone. Okay. Just don't worry about it. Just wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should be good to go. And that's how you log into Truecaller with another number. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.